A monumental shift is underway in family law, promising to reshape how courts handle cases involving domestic abuse and child welfare. This groundbreaking change signals a victory for children, survivors, and justice. But what exactly is changing, and why is it so significant? Let's dive in. For years, family courts have operated under the principle that children should have contact with both parents, unless there's evidence of harm. This is where the controversy begins. Critics argue this pro-contact culture has often prioritized the rights of abusive parents over the safety of their children. The new directive will remove the presumption of parental involvement, allowing judges to assess each case individually, with the child's well-being as the paramount concern. This means judges will no longer start with the assumption that contact is in the child's best interest. Instead, they will be directed to consider the evidence and assess a child's well-being on a case-by-case basis. This shift comes after years of campaigning by domestic abuse advocates, who have long considered the family courts a major area of concern. One of the leading campaigners, Claire Throssell, has tirelessly advocated for reform after the tragic loss of her sons, who were murdered by her abusive partner despite her efforts to protect them. The government's decision to repeal the presumption of parental involvement is a direct response to these concerns. Dame Nicole Jacobs, the Domestic Abuse Commissioner, calls it a pivotal moment that will ensure children are properly heard, protected, and supported. Saskia Lightburn-Ritchie, Chief Executive of MyCWA, echoes this sentiment, stating that it will make thousands of children safer. But here's where it gets controversial. Will this change truly make a difference? Experts caution that the change alone isn't enough. Proper training for judges is crucial to ensure a cultural shift within the courts. Without it, the new directive may not achieve its full potential. Farah Nazir, CEO of Women's Aid, emphasizes the need for mandatory training for judges, as the judiciary has historically been resistant to training from specialist domestic abuse organizations. What are your thoughts on this significant change? Do you believe it will effectively protect children? Share your opinions in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about the future of family law and child safety.